Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got an unboxing, review and a try on haul from DRACO. Before we get to the review guys, just want to thank the good people at DRACO for sending us this little care package. This comes with a pair of slides, some tracksuit and pairs of socks. So big shout out to the guys at DRACO. Thank you for sending us some goodness. And if today's video has given you an interest in DRACO slides, we got a nice little discount code for you guys in the description box below. So head over, use that discount code and buy some DRACOs. So we've opened the care package up. Let's go through what we got. And we've got 4 pairs of socks. There we go. We've got this little jewelry thing. I'll open it once we quickly show you what we did get. Because I'm quite intrigued. I don't know what we got. I'm hoping for a chain or something, you know. But we got a very lovely tracksuit as well to go with it, with the DRACO logo around. Go. And the slides themselves, they come in this beautiful dust bag. We're going to show you the review. We'll do an unboxing as well in a few seconds. So bear with us, but let me open this little jewelry thing. So we got a little, I know what it is. We've got some pins. So thank you DRACO. I can't tell if you can see what it is, but it's a pin. You can put it in a jacket. I guess you could put it in the slides. We'll see how we get onto that. But yeah, let's move on to the review. Everything else first. So give us 2 secs. So here we go, guys. We've got a beautiful pair of slides, and comes with this dust bag. It's like velvet. It's very nice to feel. Very luxury brands, very premium feel to it. We've got the DRACO logo there. We've got the Instagram. We'll get into all the handles and that when we come to the end of the video. But this is what the main reason why you're here for, and it's to look at these. Oh, look at these slides. Really nice. Very lightweight as well. That's what you want in a pair of slides. And it came with a little. We got a little thank you cards as well. So cheers to the guys at DRACO. And we'll get unboxing. And well, we've just done the unboxing. We'll do the review right now for you. So this is a pair of the Phantom slides from DRACO. We got it in black colorway. This is a US 9 to 10, which equates to a size down in UK sizing, which is what we got the sizing for. So I'm typically a UK size 7.5. There is no half size, unfortunately, so I did go a half size up. We'll get into the sizing once we do the on feet, but we're going to show you full details of the slides. So let's look at all the details in this slide. We'll start with the outsole. So it is all rubber outsole. You can see all the traction patterning there for you. Obviously that's there to help you not slip. The midsole unit is Phylon, so it's foam, great for cushioning and great for support. But the really nice touch I find is in the insole itself. So if you were to look at the insole, you've got this beautiful, luxurious velvet insole, and it's got the DRACO embossed logo there. Moving on to the upper, so this upper, it reminds me of Suicoke, and for those that don't know, Suicoke is a Japanese sandal brand. They specialize in very tech inspired looks, and I can see kind of like the inspiration there for you. You can see with the buckles right there. And if you look at the upper itself in the slide, it is a velvet upper right there, and you've got your clasps and you've got your straps. Obviously that is made out of nylon. The nice metal buckling there as well. It's great detail for you. Very lightweight, that's what you want in a pair of slides. Very sleek look, all black. I think we got a great colorway in my opinion. You know, black goes with everything, and this is very luxurious, premium feel, great materials. Really excited to try these on, and we're going to show you the on-feet review for you right now, and then after that we got the try-on haul. So stay glued to your screens for more and more goodness.